Actually, the papaya is in the orange yellow already, into getting ripe. But you don't want something too ripe into here. But this is going to be good because it's very colorful. Like that. Okay. So again, I'm going to cut it a little smaller so we can do this nicely. And just slightly remove the skin that thick. Okay. And just bite size. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do with the rest of all of this. While our chicken is being sauteed right now, we put in a little water in there, which is a pitcher full, and we're gonna make a lot of broth. And once the chicken is cooked, that's the time to put all the other ingredients in. So bite size, and I'm gonna do the same thing to all of this and that. Okay. Bite size, just like that. Okay. So again, I'm going to do it all in here. So that's how we do it. Okay. That's the papaya. We did. Right. And there's our broccolini and our kale in there. And the rest of the veggies is going to go next. And there with our tinola right there.